Exactly, friends, you saw it right. You can actually get to make a whole whooping $30 from this platform, or let's say 36,000 naira from this platform, and I'm going to show you how. You know, when something seems too good to be true, it actually stands a chance of being doubted. However, I do not want you to doubt this because it has been tested and proven. Therefore, let me go straight into telling you about the platform. Fb999. Fb999 is reportedly the best earning application online right now. Firstly, it has a very attractive appearance and a very easy operation. It can be played by individuals of all ages, and then there are several types of games on the platform that can generate you real money, and so that is how you can make that large amount every single day. Now, you may stumble upon your internet space upon some ad where they are advertising some platforms that if you play games on the platform, you're going to earn money. Oftentimes than not, those are always scams. Now, you download your application and then you play the game. They earn from the traffic advertisement partners, and then they give you nothing. It's all scams everywhere. However, Fb999 here has proven otherwise. They actually pay. Now, to earn money from the platform Fb999, there are several types of game you can play, and one of the easiest games that will fetch you money on the platform is the one called Wingo. Now, what is Wingo in Fb999? The Wingo game is very similar to trading. You just have to guess what the outcome would be in the next period. In trading, it's just known as buy and sell, but in Wingo, it's known as big and small. If your guess is correct, then you win and get profit. If your guess is wrong, you lose and lose your money. Basically, that's what happened there. Wingo does not depend 100% on luck, but more on your ability to read charts and trend. And that is why I said it is more like trading. It is similar to trading because it depends on those factors. However, do not go into the Wingo with the trading mentality entirely. There are a lot of technicalities associated with the Wingo game. So how do you play and earn money in Wingo in Fb999? A signal group has been prepared where every single day the signal will be distributed every 5 minutes to make it easier for you to choose big or small, or for you to choose buy or sell if we relate it to the trading sector. With a good understanding of these signals, it can be guaranteed that you will get a stable profit of 30% to 50% every single day. Now, I mentioned that I earn a whooping $30 every single day. Do you know why? Well, the magic difference here is basically on the amount of funds that I have in the platform. So if you invest 1,000 naira into the platform, because yes, the platform welcomes or accommodates 1,000 naira or $1. If you invest that into the platform, you will not compare your 30% to my 30%. You get it right. However, I know a lot of you know me as a reviewer, and then whatever I'm putting my money into, you may want to do that. But trust me very well when I say this, do not do that. My income source may be a lot larger than your income source, or I may have stumbled upon some bonanza funds and I just decide to give it a try. However, if you will join this platform, please do so on your own risk. Invest what you can afford to lose. Alright friends, I trust you understand that factor because I always emphasize it in all my videos. Now, we've talked about basically everything you need to know on earning with platform Fb999. In the description box below, there's a link to joining the platform. Alright friends, now moving on to the next thing, there are bonuses every single places that will fetch you real money from the platform. We have the referral bonus, we have the agent role referral success bonus, we have the first deposit bonus, and then it goes down. Alright, good. Now talking about the first bonus, that is the referral bonus. Agents stand the chance to benefit significantly as they refer new members who make deposits with bonuses allocated across the first, second and third deposits. Alright, now understanding the pivotal role agents play in the success of the referral program, Fb999 places emphasis on the symbiotic relationship between agents and the referred members, creating a win-win scenario for both parties. In other words, you earn and your referral or your referee earns as well. Now, there are also strategies for maximizing your first deposit bonus, and then they have the second deposit bonus inside, and it goes on and on like that. However, that is not the information of this video. The information of this video is to bring Fb999 to your notice and help you know that you can actually make some money from the platform. Now, here comes the big information. Is Fb999 scam or legit? A lot of us have been waiting to hear this information. Well, let me go straight to it. Fb999 is scam? No. It's legit? No. We can't say any of those yet. But Fb999, what we can tell about the platform is that they have a structure, and that structure will help us define the platform, if it is scam or legit. Now, the platform is a gaming platform. All you need to do is this: come into the platform, then you place a game. In other words, you predict if the game will buy or it will sell, if it will go big or if it will go small. All right, and then if it goes big, you earn. If it goes small, you lose. If you're not on the bonanza or bonus group whatsoever, that is, I'm not on that group as well. So that is just it. So when it happens like this, majority of persons actually tend to predict falsely, and then they lose money to the platform. Those that actually predict rightly actually usually very few, so they profit from the platform. So that is the cycle iteration of this platform. It is actually going to roll like this for a few more months, perhaps, or days. Let's leave it at days. But for now, currently speaking, the platform is active. You just need to register on the platform, and then afterward start predicting. Remember, I said investing in this platform is entirely at your own risk. The platform does not have a very defined and legitimate structure whereby we can reliably invest into without bothering. If we invest, it's more like a gambling platform, or it's more like a trading platform, depend on how I might tell. But it is more of a gambling platform than a trading platform, because oftentimes what we'll be doing at the end of the day is basically guessing or predicting. Guessing is the right word. Guessing if it will go big or small, and that is simply gambling. Alright friends, more about this platform will be dropping shortly. Until then, I will catch you in the next video.